McLaren Automotive continues to push the boundaries of automotive excellence with its exclusive lineup of high-performance supercars. These limited production models have garnered attention from enthusiasts and collectors alike for their exceptional design and extraordinary performance capabilities. 1. McLaren Senna, a tribute to a legend. The McLaren Senna, introduced in 2018, pays homage to the legendary Brazilian Formula One driver, Ayrton Senna. Named after the racing icon, this mid-engine sports car is a marvel of engineering and aerodynamics. With a 789 horsepower twin-turbocharged V8 engine, it can accelerate from 0 to 62 mph in just 2.8 seconds, making it a track-focused powerhouse. 2. Senna GTR, the track-only beast. The Senna GTR takes the Senna's performance to a whole new level. With over 800 horsepower and aggressive aerodynamics, this track-only version is a true masterpiece. It generates a staggering 1,000 kilos of downforce and is limited to only 75 units, ensuring exclusivity. 3. Senna LM, a limited homage. The McLaren Senna LM, a limited run of the Senna, pays tribute to the iconic McLaren F1 LM. With 825 horsepower and unique design elements, it's a collector's dream. Only 35 units were produced, adding to its allure. 4. Senna GTR LM, the road legal track warrior. The Senna GTR LM combines track-focused performance with road legal status. With a unique paint scheme celebrating McLaren's historic Le Mans victory, this supercar boasts 833 horsepower and exclusive features. 5. McLaren Sabre, born for the US. The McLaren Sabre, initially intended exclusively for the US market, wowed enthusiasts with its design influenced by the Ultimate Vision, Gran Turismo and Senna. With 824 horsepower and a top speed of 218 mph, it's a true American supercar. These remarkable vehicles showcase McLaren's commitment to pushing the boundaries of automotive engineering and design. With limited production runs and unique features, they have become highly sought-after pieces of automotive history. McLaren continues to captivate the automotive world with its dedication to innovation and performance.